Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. You might recognise this place from some of my older videos. It's a lift tour time here in Kingston Bentalls centres. Now it's going to be a collaboration as well. This person's not been on the channel before. They've come a long way, but their channel will be somewhere on the screen. Hello. You've come a very long way, haven't you?
Yeah, I come most of the time, but I've never actually seen you before back home, so...
This is our first time meeting as well.
Yeah, this is the first time.
Yeah, so let's go and ride some lifts. So we have a Otis right here. I love it when it has the blue lights.
We're gonna go sideways though, we're gonna go sideways.
Sideways, can I... Where are we going to?
Round.
Oh, round.
Dry track.
Oh.
We will get to do
Yeah.
this on the way back too.
Here's a little tour of the car park.
Looks very 70s.
Absolutely.
I love it.
And then this bit comes up to floor 12.
Floor 12, but you can't get here on the lift.
Oh yeah, well not, it's only the even floors. And then there's your entrance. So this is a keyhole right here, of course, to obviously get up to the, into the shaft.
Oh, it smells so nice. No lie. Right.
8, and let's go. So what car park are we at now?
Car park B.
Yes, we are. So I used to record this one many times back in the past. I was so obsessed with it. So we're gonna go and ride it.
Yeah.
So this one does the odd floors. So you'll see here.
Also like on floor and
Yeah,
even
look,
floor.
11. Oh, I was meant to press 12, but we'll go to 11.
Hang on. Oh, can you not?
Alright then.
We'll go both. Does each one have pre-doors?
I think so. It's quite a fast one. It's going to be this side, by the way. And as you can see,
It's a bit dangerous.
yeah, innit? I would not like to be here at night. Oh dear. It went up to 12. Like I just said though, the lift itself, or these types of cones, are quite fast themselves. Oh, and there we go, it's right there.
Already shut its doors. Right, let's go down to 7.
Lucky number 7.
Which side is it open?
This side. The odd floors are this side. Evens are this side. -1.
-1 all the way down.
And then you also have this button here as well.
Yeah, that's the priority.
The
service.
priority one because you need the key.
Floor -1.
Floor -1. Door going up.
Or
I remember actually building this on the Roblox game Theme Park Tycoon 2, and it didn't look exactly like how it is, but it looks very, very similar. You remember it, right?
yeah, I remember, but you destroyed it.
Oh yeah. So moving on to these ones, these are even floors only. But we're gonna go down first. Because we did say we're gonna do 0, but obviously we didn't.
Oh, this is 0.
Sorry. It's alright.
Oh, what?
That'll do. I know, we haven't officially broken it. We thought we did, but no.
It's gone back up.
It's going back up now anyway. We might as well have a little walk around. So this takes you to the A car park.
Oh, that's so stingy.
Yeah,
Just
just
you're in the back rooms. Okay, guys, we're exploring the back rooms. As you can see, we just don't want to be too loud, otherwise there could be an entity walking around.
Alright.
Oh wow. Oh, look.
Alright, back in we go, because why not? That's it.
Yeah, it does.
8.
Security.
What?
Oh, come on.
I wonder who lives there.
Me.
I remember in the past saying that these were cheap, but
That actually...
I'm guessing they're mid.
They're mid.
They could have done better with this, like... You can kind of open this.
Wait, what?
Well, not kind of open, but like...
Move it.
Yeah.
This one's on.
Lovely.
Go
Right,
on,
up to 3. Yeah. Guys, there has something I've noticed. They've actually covered the indicator inside. Like, you can actually see. What have they done? Look, they've actually covered it.
You can still see it.
You can still see it. They've actually
It's very
covered
warm.
it.
It's actually very warm.
Alright, ground.
Ground floor.
I can't believe. And look, you can just easily peel it off.
Oh.
Okay.
There's no cameras in here. You're fine.
Yeah. Oh.
Local shopping centre.
I've been in this before. This is.
That used to be a Kone TMS, that did.
Oh yeah. Look, you can even see the. I actually forgot what that's called. No, I meant the.
Oh, that's the logic control.
Oh, I actually forgot.
The logic cabinet does do that as well, but you can't actually easily access that. But
Oh.
they've just made it so cheap. Also, actually, this is sort of different because this is a H version.
Yeah.
That's a hydraulic. What on earth have they done to the escalator?
Oh yeah, they're clearly
Look at
doing works. It's nice to see like the insides of
No,
it.
it really
I guess.
isn't. It really isn't. I'll tell you why. Because you know if you. Hang on, stop the video a second.
Rest in peace, Roo. Going over to the next lifts now over at Kingston Station. You will see it in a minute, but enjoy the little time lapse. Next one, this is my first time. Oh, it's a Stanner.
Oh,
My first time.
hang on,
in
it's
this.
broken.
Oh,
It's
you're
broken.
kidding me.
It's broken. It's
Oh.
screwed. They've screwed
Well, we might as well walk up and
too.
get
Oh
some
my God, this
views.
is so bad.
Yeah, it
Already.
does.
Already?
Yeah.
Already. Oh, you can't
Look.
actually get onto the roof.
Oh, that's a shame. But you can go as far as here.
This is so bad.
If the lift was
The lift
working.
goes up there. We
Yeah.
wouldn't have been able to go up there anyway. Really keen.
Oh.
Oh, but this is. It looks so better they built it. Sorry.
Also been in this one as well. Okay, so we are going to the next service. Just had a little bit of lunch, but we're good to go now. So, oh, we've got some cones right here, but oh no, look at the button. Oh, it's got a nice chime as well, actually.
No way, this has got the shit.
Wow,
It's got the cinder door out.
it has, hasn't it? Oh my gosh, you can kind of move it as well. All right.
The door closed doesn't pop.
Oh, no cradle.
We started doors on here.
Oh yeah,
It's
you
got a
can
larger
actually
gap up
see.
there than usual.
Yeah, you can kind of actually see.
Yeah. Right, 2.
Yeah. Oh, let's see what's up.
Oh, hang on. Oh, open the door.
Alright.
Right, okay, let's press 2 again.
Oh my gosh.
We started moving. Did you see
Just
that?
before the door shut.
Just before the doors.
1
shut.
second. And I've noticed you also have this here as well.
Yeah,
I
old
think.
shingle indicators. Oh.
This feels modernised as well.
It is modern, yeah.
You can tell. It's quite a good modernisation as well.
What? Just get out. Echo.
Well, this car park, as you can see, the entrance, when you kind of like go up, it's just all. Whoa!
Yeah, you see them.
They're so much fun. Wow, it's a bit like Roblox, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's here? Oh, it looks very creepy.
We can take the lift from there, maybe?
Okay, yeah, we might as well. Oh.
Both of them are open, so.
Oh, what's that? It's a bit of a pointless, isn't it? Oh.
That flashes when you press the button. Where would you put it? It's going to be this. Hang on, no, it's still got its indicator. But the lift's still on.
Yeah, but it's. Oh. Then when you look, it kind of goes.
It does flash a little bit.
Flashes.
Oh, hang on, it's coming. It's here. Right, let's listen to these applications.
Oh, sorry.
Because that one shuts forward, it opens up the security
Oh, yeah.
circuit, which means that the front doors. But I think it's because you used to have 3 doors at one
Yeah.
point. But as you can see, those doors are slightly
Oh,
out.
yeah, you can
They've
see.
got that old Schindler rattle. Right, anyway. Yeah, well, that's it.
Now, if we come here, guys, these are actually being modernised. Do you know what it's being modernised by?
Probably Esther, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
Dear customers, we are having a lift refurbishment taking place at the end of the year.
Oh, never mind. I've got it here anyway.
Look at those old indicators, look.
Oh yeah. Can you actually look? This one's.
That one's dimmed, but if this one over here, it's so much on too.
And whenever I always used to go in these, it never felt safe.
You can't crush it.
Yeah, it looks like an
look,
actual
look, you
button.
can turn the lift on and off, look.
Yeah.
Which is unfortunate.
Oh, this looks very creepy, isn't it? Oh, careful. Very little creepy little stairs, isn't it? It's quite long as well. I would like to do like a little walk-up shot up here, but then. Oh yeah, lifts. But then also I'm worried that someone will snatch it, so best to do it for safety. Oh. Does it still work? Oh. Oh, but it actually still works.
Buttons still work, but I think they switched off, unfortunately.
Ah,
So annoying. I think somebody must have broke safety
probably.
at some point.
Okay.
Talk a little bit further. The button still presses.
Ooh.
The button still presses, but we can't get in them.
Yeah, and then
Oh, I can hear that.
Isn't that the car, isn't it? Or it's definitely not the lift. Does not sound like it.
No, it's a diesel engine of that tall.
Yeah.
We can't go up any further.
Oh.
Hang on, let's go.
Finally made it to the end. Oh,
This is the motor room.
the motor room.
These are going to be sent to my mate. Oh,
What
there's
way?
the entrance to the other motor room up there.
Oh yeah.
Look, you've got the service line. Unless.
Oh.
Hang on, wait, are these actually closed to the public?
Oh.
Today we go to a bloody car park.
Hey.
Hang on. Thames though. Walton. God, why did I say Walton? Kingston. Right, shall we go to the
Yeah, let's go.
Wow, we have stairs.
Oh.
What's the step?
Whoa. Unnecessary. So far. I absolutely agree to this. Look at this. This should stay on.
This is God. We won't pay. We won't pay. In fact, it is. It's not about health. It's actually what it's about is a tactical tax.
Absolutely.
It's like a congestion charge.
Absolutely. Oh, we're
We're
here.
originally ended the car park. Oh shit.
Look, we got the.
Staircase we just came down.
Yeah.
Nobody.
And this is what it looks like on the outside.
We just walked over it. That's so crazy, man.
Oh, innit? Look at
Hang on, there's
this.
an electric car behind.
Oh, yeah.
We can't actually hear it.
That's so dangerous. We can't actually hear it.
Wait, hang on. There it is.
Yeah.
It's so dangerous. Looks so creepy.
Right, this is it. Marks and Spencer's, the next bit. Oh no! Train station elevators.
I just want to slap them. Oh, what's that voice?
Oh, it feels very like, oh.
This is not safe.
Absolutely not.
Rubax.
Well, I've never heard of that company ever.
No, you probably never will. Alright, let's feel this now.
Definitely no pre-door.
Buttons are.
I like them actually.
Are we not?
Doors closing.
Doors closed.
I love the voice, it
I love
never
the
gets
voice.
too old.
Oh, the indicator's a bit quick, isn't it? Total silence. Average riding British lift.
Absolutely. Another train station lift.
Got the train station box.
Very stable.
Yes, it's got. Oh, did you hear the brake?
Oh yeah.
What, shall we go to the...
Right. Yeah, I love these. These are just so quick. Close.
Bam, they're closed.
Going down.
The ball moves so much.
I know.
That is quick.
Floor 0.
Bloody hell.
What? So guys, that's the end of the video. It's very awkward. So thanks a lot for watching the video, and please like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. It will be on the screen somewhere. I'll also be in the description. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.